You didn't give up when others were doubting and trying to influence you negatively. Because of this, you are now being rewarded. Hello, wonderful listener, and welcome back to another reading. We will start right ahead with some cards about your dreams and the synchronicities you have been having lately. Today's card deck is the Sacred Destiny Oracle. The cards are today not pre-shuffled, so I will be shuffling them as and when I do the reading. I'm guided to do this. So the very first card I am receiving is Purity. It's a fox with a white, not fox, a wolf with two colored eyes, and it's white, like white as snow, and it's pure, extremely pure and divine. This is what I am getting for the first card. It looks like the divinity following your divinity. This is what led you to understanding your process and understanding your journey, where you were able to see the truth that you and your twin flame, or you and your partner, are one in nature because of your pure heart. Yes, that's what's coming up. Your pure love. You unconditionally loved and very innocently loved your partner, your masculine, from this place of purity. Your love is pure, and there is a understanding that you both are one in your heart. So, and you are sure about it. You know it. It's a knowing in your heart. So, this knowing would have been confirmed by the universe in many ways, through synchronicities, through dreams, or through signs and symbols. Watch out for these dreams, for these signs and these symbols, as they do have a message for you. In case if you have been seeing these, it is a confirmation that you and your partner are divinely one at the core of your heart. In love, the both of you are one. So this wolf, this message here in this card, purity, is very clear, because the wolf has two different colored eyes. One is lavender and one is green. And the wolf is as beautiful and as white as snow here. So that's what's giving me the message that, this is pure love, and it's just like the both of you are not separate. It's just in one part. It's just two different eyes. It might look different. One might look lavender, one might look green, but you are part of this one divinity. You are created as one. So if you are getting dreams and synchronicities that the both of you are one in nature, then trust that and go ahead and follow your heart, follow this innocence and love and this divinity in your heart. You are recognizing that this is beyond the regular infatuation, or this is beyond something which you can explain. Yes, this is divine and pure. This relationship is divine and pure. That's what this card is confirming. And let's see what our next card here is, where it's a very gentle card reading today. So I'm pulling the next card. Love Illumination. So it's really beautiful. So the love here, the love card here is full of roses, blooming flowers. and roses and a beautiful blue bright eye, which is here in the card. If you have been having signs and synchronicity, and if you have been having dreams, which is leading you to certain answers, which you have been asking questions, this is true love. This is the love you have been searching for. It is a confirmation for you to move forward in this relationship and in this truth that you feel in your heart. Let go of doubting it. As you let go of doubting this, it will bloom and it will come into fruition. Allow this love to bloom regardless of how your divine masculine is reverting back to you. It does not matter if your man is reverting back to you right now or no. You have attracted the love energy in your heart. The more you allow this love to bloom, the more your divine masculine will be attracted to you and will come to you naturally. Do not look at your partner right now and their actions. Just trust and take that leap of faith in your heart and trust the love and the signs and the synchronicities you are feeling in your heart, and take that leap of faith and jump right into that love in your heart. Allow it to bloom and give it power. Allow sunshine to fall on it. Allow yourself to trust this love. This is what is coming up. And the next card I received is illumination. Allowing this to bloom also means that illuminate this love, that is allowing it to shine as bright as possible. Looks like I'm getting a feeling because in this card, it's a little cloudy, this illumination card. There's a cloudy lake here, but the sky is very illuminated in this card. So what I am seeing is there is some cloudiness in allowing your light, your heart's love, and your light in shining. There is some resistance and fear here I'm feeling. So if as a feminine, you are fearing to shine your love outward, if you're fearing to shine your light outward, either due to judgments or criticism, or even due to the fear of getting hurt, because love is vulnerable, then just be surrendered in divine, in love, and allow love to protect you while you shine bright. Love cannot hurt anybody. Love is a deep sense of affection. The meaning of love is a deep sense of affection, so it cannot hurt you. The more you shine in love, the more love you attract, because like attracts like. So understand it is safe to shine this love bright and not to suppress it anymore. Yes, as a feminine, you might have been asked to suppress your feelings, to suppress your emotions, and maybe to suppress who you are, to people please, or however you have been programmed in however way it is. Allow your light in your heart, the love in your heart, to illuminate, to shine. And this is what this card is saying. So beautiful. So let's see what the next card is. I am receiving pleasure, the card. So the next card is pleasure. Again, two cards have popped up. So as a feminine, it is okay to enjoy your life. It is okay to give yourself permission to take pleasure in life, to allow yourself to feel the pleasure and feel the joy. There is a path here going up to heaven. So the more you feel pleasure and joy and happiness and take more care of yourself and allow yourself to be free and freely express and freely claim your desires, freely claim, like if you have a desire in your heart to travel to a destination, give yourself permission to do that. If you have a desire to travel to a place, or let's say you have a desire to eat something, go ahead and give yourself the pleasure. Give yourself the pleasure of living your life as per your heart's desire, and that will lead you to this path. That will lead you to your heaven on earth, to your heart's desire, which is this one true love. That's what I'm receiving. So I am seeing this beautiful path here, and there is a archway and a sky and starry sky and a green, lustrous green moon here in this card, and there's a deer thinking whether to cross the path or not. Don't doubt yourself. Go ahead and cross the path. You might have been getting signs and synchronicities from your dreams, and just cross the path. I can feel that the feminine has a lot of faith in them. So cross the path. Don't stand at the door. Cross the path into the heaven. And this, you don't have to do it externally. You just have to do it in your heart. And externally, the path will open up. So give yourself permission to be free and just enjoy life and take it easy. This is also what is coming up. Let go for the tension, stress, worry, or any fear of attack or any fear basically that you're holding on to. And instead, just relax and take pleasure in living. Take pleasure in eating food, take pleasure in taking a shower, take pleasure in wearing your nail polish or going and playing a sport, or take pleasure in walking in the beach or garden. Just take pleasure in life, enjoy life. You will cross the path easily. Do not doubt yourself. Yes, let go of self-doubt and move forward. The next card I received is adventure. So, as I see, you are on an adventure, and it is safe to go on an adventure. It is safe to go on an adventure when a heart desires something. It is safe to pursue it, follow it, and give that feeling and that love and that desire. You feel like eating chocolate cake, please go ahead and receive the chocolate cake. Go receive it. This is just a small example I'm giving. It can be bigger things. It can be your life purpose. It can be the divine partner you are desiring. So you desire your partner. Go ahead and claim it and give it in your heart. And it is an adventure, of course, and it is safe to go on this adventure, on this journey, and go claim your partner, because there is a lot of support around, and there are many, many people doing the same thing, especially here in Twin Flames universe. As this card is saying this because there's a parrot who is sitting on a bush with a lot of flowers, and it's a rainforest, and many other parrots are flying. That's the card. So as many other parrots are flying, all you have to do is join them. So coaching is a great idea to join them. Is coming up in this card. There are many people walking this path. You can trust it and join them. You will have support in your adventure. You are not alone. You have the whole universe, and you have a lot of support here as you walk through this journey, as you take this journey, because it feels like these cards are telling, if you have a question or if you have seen a dream, and if you have seen synchronicities and asking, should I take this path? Yes, definitely, because this is your heaven on earth. If you take this path, if you take this adventure, it looks like this is the heaven on earth you will be manifesting. And there are many other beautiful, other divine feminines doing all this already. All you have to do is join them when you have enough and more support at Twin Flames Universe. That's also what is coming up. And yes, let's see what is the next card for you. Oh, wow. There is happiness. Wow. Okay, so the next card I received is happiness. I received 3 cards together. So I can see 2 dolphins. So if looks like you have already taken the leap of faith here, that's why you understand the truth that you and this partner, this man, is one with you. So as you have taken the leap of faith, you are receiving signs and synchronicities, and you can trust those signs and synchronicities and continue walking forward. Do not doubt yourself, because if you continue walking forward, happiness is guaranteed. That is, here it's 2 dolphins and they are jumping, and it's a beautiful ocean, and there is sun, and it is bright, and it is gorgeous. So it is looks like it's you and your partner just having a good time, and there will be a lot of happiness in this relationship, and this relationship will come into fruition if you continue to walk the adventure, if you continue to grow the love in your heart, just like the first couple of cards said. If you continue to grow the pleasure in your heart and illuminate your life, the happiness and the togetherness. I can see a lot of togetherness in this card. Togetherness, like doing happy things together, like a vacation or a picnic or a dinner or a date or an enjoyable time together. I can also feel like a lot of dancing energy where you and your partner are just dancing around in joy. So, yes, as you have taken the leap of faith that this is my one true love, and as you can understand that, yes, this person is one with me, and in divine truth, we are one, you're able to understand this feeling in your heart, because that's what the first part said. You are able to understand that this is pure. So it's just a matter of saying yes to it, and you will receive this happy relationship. Happiness is what is kept for you. This is what is coming up. So the next card I received is Power. Okay, so I received the card rotated, which means there is something to be noted there. When it's rotated, it means that you are giving your power away to something that is not suitable for you. Is it worry, stress, tension, or fear, or overthinking, or obsession? Feel into it. Whatever it is, surrender it right now, here, with a breath in this card reading. Let it heal you. Surrender it as you do not require it, because it is not worth it to give your power away to these unnecessary things which drains your energy. More energy should flow in glowing the love in your heart. You already know that there is this pure love in your heart. So allow yourself to focus on that love instead of focusing on the negatives and giving your power away to the negatives. So claim your power back on the divine feminine side. That's what this card is letting you know. The last card I'm receiving is fulfillment, and it's a beautiful fruit. Yes, so all the work you have done, your leap of faith, everything, there will be rewards, there will be breakthroughs. You will have fulfillment. You will feel this fulfillment in this relationship that you are looking forward to. So you will reap this fruit. This is a big fruit here in this card. You will reap it if you trust and just take furthermore leap of faith, holding the divine light or divine universe and trusting your heart's purity and love. This is 100% breakthrough where you and your partner will come into oneness and enjoy the fruits of your relationship in your life. You will receive fulfillment. That is the final message of this card. Looks like it is time for a breakthrough. Make a choice to have the breakthrough, and having that, you continue having faith. Continue with the faith that you have been going in this journey. Faith is keeping you going forward. You can trust that. You can trust the feeling in your heart. It is real. This is time for a breakthrough. So open your heart, trust, surrender, and allow the breakthrough to happen. Trust the signs, synchronicities, and your dreams. Trust the message divine is giving you, and your dream shall be fulfilled. That's what the last card is letting me know. For personal reading, contact a Ascension coach. I hope this card reading helped and healed everyone. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.